Konnichiwa minasan, and welcome back to another video. Yes. So I hope you all have been having a blessed day. As you can see, the sun is shining, air is clean, all that good stuff, and back again with another video. So today I have something really interesting for you guys. So I went to my Japanese grandmother's house. Yes, I have a Japanese grandmother, and I got some would say rice trash. I don't know the English. Is there an English term for rice trash? Yes. The rice shell. Yeah. So basically what I'm going to use this for is I'm going to try to mulch my garden, because it's summertime and it's getting really hot, so and it's going to be difficult for me to try and water them, because time is so hot, so and the water will evaporate very fast. So one way to combat that is to use mulch. So based on my research, they said that it is good for the soil, and after a while it loosen up the soil. So, and plus it's organic matter, so it breaks down pretty easily. So it's kind of windy now, so what I'm going to do now is just I'm going to get it wet. So it's kind of heavy, but maybe it will be a bit difficult to move around, but let's see how that goes. So it's wet, so it shouldn't be that difficult. So yeah, I realize that the wind is not moving it, so it should be okay. So watering it now, getting it wet. Yeah, should be okay, and hopefully this can cover all of my garden. I have a few doubts, but let us see how far this takes us. Okay, so I'm just going to these. I'm just gonna do like a couple handful. Maybe I underestimate it. Maybe it can be done. Let's see. So what you want to do? You want to like layer like a thick, like give it a thick layer, so it prevent the grass from growing up. And that's one key benefits of mulching. It provides moisture retention, and it holds down the weeds. So I guess you're getting the best of both worlds. Yeah, some of it wasn't wet, but it should be okay. So yeah, so I want to do it like this. So yeah, so I'm going to try and do all my garden, so stay tuned. These weeds are scriptless, so hopefully they won't pose a problem. You guys not supposed to be doing that. Get a room. My God. You don't have any decorum. No little brought up seat. Get a room, you two. Oh, see this? Oops. Push. Apologies. That wasn't my intention. To break up whatever y'all was got going on. Right, so it might stretch everything. So I suppose I don't have to worry about the beetroot because they have enough cover, so no farmer weed won't really grow because of the cover. So it runs out, should be fine. As deep as possible. get some more. Forgot about
Melon.
the pumpkin and the strawberry, the watermelon. So I need to get some more for these three, and I'll be set. So I think it's hard to see where to